家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up, folks? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。
Joseph，你头发有打篮球吗？
我跟你讲，高中时啊，我是学校的那个篮球校队耶。
真的假的啊？
你看我的身高。
好啦，教这一句了。
可以。Well, so let's teach you phrases associated with basketball. 来，篮球怎么说
？lamʼ
lamʼ that's basketball. In high school, I played for the varsity team. 高中时我是学校的篮球校队。
高中时间，
高中时间，
我是篮球學校吹。
我是籃球學校吹。
Yeah.
Oh, that means you've played for the school team, like a varsity team, for instance. 學校吹。然後呢，我們現在平常也會約朋友去什麼橋下
打
個籃球啊。其實台灣很多這種籃球場，
很
right?
多。
我約了朋友去橋下打籃球。I'm going to meet up with my friends under the bridge to play basketball.
我找了朋友。
我找了朋友。
去橋下打籃球。
去橋下打籃球。There you go. These are cool terms to learn. For instance, let's go back to high school, 高中。
高中。
高中 and then the school's team, 校隊。
學校吹。
學校吹 and what are we playing? Basketball, 籃球。
籃球。
籃球 and there you have it. Hope you learned some Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.